Hey guys, Assad here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about EXP method in math object. So what it does, it returns the exponent of where where the argument is e of that exponent. So the e is here is a Eros number, also known as a Napier number, which has a constant of 2.718 approx, I think. So approximately, I mean. So and the base of the natural number, which is it is the so if we pass a number, it will give you that exponent of that. So when we do that, what we're gonna happen is log it on a console, type math for math object and use exp, and if we pass 0 it will be a 1. If we pass 1 it will be 2.718 something. Yeah, if we pass -1 it will be 0.36 something. Yeah, so hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.